Hi everyone, I'm Andy with Integrity Data Insights. This is our pet Mabel, and we're here to tell you about an exciting new video we just created, and it digs into Copilot and using that with Power BI. They released kind of a new feature just last week that allows you to do some really cool things right within the desktop. So here's a couple highlights of that right now. So this is a sample dashboard that you've seen me probably use. So you notice right at the top, right up here, is the little Copilot button up there. This was a cool one when I was playing around with it earlier. Let's see if this works again. But if you say suggest content for this report, create a page to analyze sales performance over time. So yeah, let's try that. So I'm gonna hit create, and you'll see it creates this whole other dashboard page. So you could see, just like that within, what was that, 5-10 seconds? It created this whole other page down here. Let's just ask it, can you show this as a visual? Let's see what visual it picks to represent this. That's kind of what I wanted. That's probably, it kind of went above and beyond with this analysis, which is kind of neat. So I just asked it, can you include category and subcategory on the same axis? Let's see what it comes back with. There we go. So it did do what I asked it to. It's still not the most pretty chart, but it's exactly what I asked it to do. So you can see right here, it did give me a nice chart that it built with the revenue, and you can add it to the page, or let's click this button to be able to see it bigger. So you can see just like that, it queried the data and was able to produce this nice chart. And if you're interested in learning more, we have a much longer video. You can find the link in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you'll check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Take care.